All right, everyone. Happy Monday, start of the fourth quarter. Let's all hit the ground running so we can have strong starts to the quarter. Today's agenda, we're going to start with our normal process. So we've got the Outlook question of the day. Then you're going to do SolidProfessor. Today we are working on the analysis. So there's only 2 videos in there. Pretty quick and easy. And then the main part of what we're working on this week is we are restarting our rocket project. So we started this last week. The 4 parts that are yours are due by the end of day tomorrow. Wednesday, we will be doing the assembly. Drawings will be due by the end of the week. So by the end of this week, you'll have your own model rocket fully assembled with assembly drawings done. And then next week, Monday and Tuesday, we will start working on how to animate it in Fusion. So all of the videos for all of this are posted on my YouTube channel. Links are in the video for everything that you need. And you can also subscribe to the channel so that way you can get to it a little bit easier and navigate through. So, and last but not least, for those of you all in the in-school CAD competition, reminder that is this Thursday, 10 a.m. More details to come in class.